Hello friends, and welcome back to my kitchen. I'm all dressed up. I'm ready to go out grocery shopping this morning, and this time I'm challenging myself to buy only one ingredient groceries. So that means I'll just be picking up things like produce, meat, milk, things that have only one ingredient. Now I will have a couple of exceptions because well, to make cheese, you need, the culture and enzymes. And, if something has like just salt added, I'll probably make an exception. But basically I want to cut out any packaged foods, foods that have preservatives, and just to buy one ingredient foods, and then I'll be making all my meals at home and using those ingredients. So just basically to be eating more whole foods and eating foods as close to the way that God intended them for you, because I believe that your body digests those foods better. And yeah, so come along with me grocery shopping. I'll show you what I end up getting. And then in another video, I'll show you my week of meals and lunches that we did with only one ingredient foods. So which means I can't buy bread, so I'll be making our own bread for a week and be using that, and just basically everything. Can have cereal, so we can have oatmeal because you can just buy the oats. So I'll show you how it turns out. So I am back from grocery shopping. So I went to 3 different stores: Walmart, Independent, and Freshco. And so I'll show you what I got, all of my one ingredient items. And so here we're starting, we have cilantro. This was 97 cents. This is what I got at Walmart. Sweet potatoes were on special. I picked those up. Got 2 bunches of bananas. They didn't have any green ones, so I ended up buying green ones at Freshco as well. So just want to have a lot of bananas on hand. It's easy to whip up banana muffins or banana bread for the kids for a treat, since I didn't buy any prepackaged kind of goodies like that. So I have lots of bananas. I got some coconut oil because I was getting low. So this was, I think, $16. And you want to make sure it's cold pressed when you get your coconut oil, because then it hasn't been heated. So it's just coconut oil in here. Then I was looking at the olives, and I know in olives before I've seen other ingredients. And so this one has olives, water, salt, and red wine vinegar. So I did make an allowance for that because I don't even count the water really, and there's a bit of salt and red wine vinegar, so not really anything preservative like that I didn't want. So I picked these up because we all like olives here, so to put in salads. I got some sugar snap peas, which is a favorite snack for my son Micah, and these were, I think, 2 for $6, so $3 each, but I don't get them very often, and it's just a nice snack, crunchy and refreshing. Already washed a bowl for Micah so he can snack after school. And then I got some cucumbers to make lots of either salads or send in the boys' lunches. Also got some zucchini and also some limes. And now for Independent, I like to go and just look at their meats. Often you'll see some for 30% off, and it's just because it's best before today. So either I cook it today for supper or I'll put it in the freezer. So here I have wings, here's some drumsticks, and I also have pork chops. So 30% off is good. I also picked up some scallops. I was thinking of doing like a seafood soup one of these cold days. So I got some rice vermicelli. So I'll make a soup with that and some veggies one day. Also got some dried mango, and this one is nice because it is only mango. There's no sugar added or anything else. And also cocoa because it was on special. I'm not really getting low on it, but again, I'll be doing homemade treats, and so I'll be using cocoa this week. And so just to have it to stock the pantry. And so here's my Freshco haul. So again, I went for one ingredient things, which makes shopping easier because you don't really look at anything that is in a package. So again, green onions, some Royal Gala apples, radishes, a nice bunch of kale. Got a really good deal on the onions, 10 pounds of onions for I believe it was $3.99. And so I use onions in everything, so that will be used up. The mini peppers were $3 a bag, so that's a good snack for the kids' lunches. Broccoli crowns were $1 something each. Like I said, I got the green bananas at Freshco. Roma tomatoes were the tomatoes that were on special. I got mangoes, they were 99 cents each, but unfortunately none that were ripe, so let's hope these ripen up. Green peppers, lemons, always good. Oranges were on special, 67 cents a pound, I believe. Rutabaga, cabbage, 2 packages of mushrooms, 2 bags of avocado, some fresh ginger, and then for nuts I got some walnuts, and the peanuts I got dry roasted peanuts. So if they're dry roasted, they haven't added any oil or anything, and as you can see, the ingredients are only peanuts. So the nuts are going to be good for some little treats that I'll be making for the kids, along with the dates, which I often use too for baking or making energy balls. Here's applesauce. So this applesauce was good. Just apples, water, and ascorbic acid. So I picked these up because that's going to be better for lunches than those little cups that you get, because often there's like natural flavors and extra stuff in there. The eggs are on special, 30 eggs, so I bought a whole tray, and I hope these are the last eggs I'll have to buy because our chickens are starting to lay again. So hopefully we'll get through these and then we'll be getting enough every day again. Garlic. Also frozen blueberries, which are just good like that. Eating frozen blueberries as a snack is almost like candy. I don't know if you've tried it, but very good. Or also in smoothies, that's what I do with them, or pancakes. Some green beans. And then we got some chicken thighs here, 2 packages of chicken thighs, 2 packages of ground pork, because I couldn't buy sausages, so we could try to make like our own sausage. We can season the pork and make a dish like that. I also have 2 bags of milk, sour cream, and this is my favorite sour cream, the gold sour cream. And there's only milk ingredients, bacterial culture, and microbial enzyme. So really, it's just good quality. I'll put in a clip. The other sour creams have like a bunch of other stuff added in because stabilizers and whatnot, but yep, that's really good. Butter, which also has salt, and that's it. Cream, milk, salt. And our cheese, our local cheese, which we love. In case you guys were curious, for the 3 stores today, it cost me just under $265. So I'll be doing the 1 ingredient challenge, cooking at home for 1 week at least, but of course these groceries will last more than that, but we'll do the challenge for 1 week and try to eat all homemade things made from these groceries I got. There will be an upcoming video with that, so like and subscribe if you want to stick around. Thanks a lot for watching today, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, may God bless you with his love, joy, peace, and good health. Bye.